Again with another Excel video, and in this particular video I'll be demonstrating that what will be the importance of Excel in the field of temperature conversion. So I have a data along with me, and it's dummy data. The data doesn't match accurately with the current weather set scenario here in West Bengal. So what I will be doing is that I am having some temperatures in Celsius and I will be converting it into Fahrenheit. So what will be the function to convert this particular thing? So as I was saying, convert. So converting Celsius to Fahrenheit equal to convert. That's the function. And I will be taking up this value, and I need to mention that what is the unit of this particular value is. It's in Celsius, and I want to convert it into Fahrenheit. Now let's hit enter. It's 100.4. So I'll be take a dig into the internet and verify whether the data which is being shown here is accurate or not. So how about Bankura 58? So let me write in here 58 is 136.4. Is it so? Yeah, it's 136.4. So that's a short video tutorial on how you can use Excel to convert. And how about meter to kilometer equal to convert. On this particular context, I would also like to check whether Excel is being able to convert this particular value, which is in centimeter, and I want to convert it, maybe it is in kilometer, and I want to convert it into centimeter. Let's see if it works or not. Not applicable. Fine. So km to cm. Yeah. So it's if it is 38. So let me show the formula in here. So if it's a kilometer, so km and cm will be in small. Dig into the internet and find it on your own how to use the convert function more efficiently in your daily life uses of Excel. That's all for this short video tutorial. Happy coding, guys.